the number one thing that's killing deals in 2026. Things have been changing in the real estate market, and over the last year or so, we're starting to see more and more deals fall apart. And here's the number one reason why. Hi, my name's Mark Hewitts, and I'm with Maryland Real Estate Professionals and RE/MAX Realty Plus right here in Central Maryland. And I want to share with you why I think so many deals are falling apart today. And it's always the same reason. That reason is home inspections. That's right, home inspections. They're the number one reason that most home sales are collapsing right now. So here's what's happening. Buyers have more options and they're on a tighter budget. They're not absorbing surprise repair costs anymore. When a buyer sees that a house hasn't been well maintained or the deferred maintenance, the sellers are putting the maintenance off, they don't see the potential in the house or the character of the house. They see risk, and they also see rising dollar costs. The tolerance for that fixer-up vibe that buyers used to have has completely evaporated. Buyers want move-in ready homes. So here's my advice to most home sellers in the 2026 market. Get a pre-listing inspection. It's going to cost you between $300 and $800. This lets you find and fix issues on your timeline before a buyer's home inspector turns a small problem into a huge deal-killing negotiation. Another thing you should do is provide the buyer with the ages of your major systems, your HVAC, your roof, your water heater, and give them the last 12 months of your utility expenses, gas, electric, oil, propane, what other expenses you might have. Provide those so the buyers can see them ahead of time. This isn't about oversharing or giving away too much information. It's about removing the mental discount that buyers see and apply when they sense uncertainty. Photos win hearts, data wins the brains, and you need both when you're selling your house. If you're thinking about selling your home this spring or anytime in the near future, let's talk about how we can help you bullet before it goes live. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for all your real estate days. Hundreds of Maryland home sellers and home buyers have trusted myself and the Maryland Real Estate Professional team with their most valuable negotiations, their homes. We look forward to earning your trust as well. Have a wonderful week, and please keep me in mind if you hear of anybody looking to buy or sell real estate. We love your referrals. Take care.